On this early morning, a mission pilot warms up his plane. He is preparing for the day. As he flies over some of the most remote jungles of Papua New Guinea, he prays for the great need in this region. The people here are in need of medical attention. As the pilot approaches a village, he knows that God is working here. In Mengino village, the Seventh-day Adventist Church has set up a small medical clinic. This clinic offers the people in the village medical attention. The people here constantly struggle with such things as malaria, broken bones, the flu, and pregnancies. For a majority of these people, this is the only access to medical care they will ever have. You can begin to see the importance of this service. People travel great distances on foot from other villages to the Mengino Clinic. Roy Lowley walked here with his parents from another village. They came in search of treatment for his mother who was not feeling well. After trekking for hours through the jungle to get here, this family is very appreciative of the work being done and hopes for a clinic in their village someday.
We have privilege to have the Adventist Mission to come up here and then set this hospital so that all the people located around the bush places like here, we usually come and take the medicine here for our treatment, yes.
As the mission pilot prepares to leave, he sees firsthand the work that God is doing here. These clinics are an opportunity for the people in the village to see Jesus. The work here is plentiful, and the Mengino Clinic struggles to tend to the high demand of those seeking medical attention. The Mengino Clinic is just one example of the clinics throughout the South Pacific region. Other clinics in Papua New Guinea and the small island of Tanna face the same challenge every day. As you can see, this is a big challenge here. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will go to help build remote medical clinics in areas where people are in great need. These clinics will help hundreds of people throughout the South Pacific region. Please pray for the work being done here, and thank you for your support of Mission.